Our phone's default launcher aren't that good. Sometimes glitchy, sometimes laggy, and the design is not that good. So what I have decided is to make the best Nova launcher and Android customization videos just like this every month for you guys. I know there are creators making the same stuff and I appreciate their work, but I will try to make these videos a little bit different. Hey, if you have any questions and suggestions, feel free to drop in the comment section. I will definitely read them and reply back. Hey, what's up everyone, this is BroSmart. If you have cool setups, then please send me on this email ID smarttechbusiness12@gmail.com and I will show the best setup in my next video and give you a quick shout out. A short information about my phone. It is Samsung Galaxy J7 Next and the current interface is Samsung's TouchWiz UI. For this video, I will use the Nova launcher. This setup will be dark, classy and subtle. Starting with the Delta icon pack. The reason I am using the Delta icon pack for this particular setup is that the icons will be small, little rounded on the corners and will match exactly with the dark setup. Now I have already downloaded the Nova launcher on my device. I will just set it up using just that. Tapping twice on the Nova launcher app and here we go. Inside the Nova settings I changed some colors, appearance and other settings to make my setup look detailed. Now once it's done, it's time for the wallpaper. I will use the Wallpaper Craft app because of the high quality wallpapers it offers and the number of wallpapers it has in its huge library. Quickly let's go to the black and white category and pick one. Now this wallpaper will definitely match with my setup. The sky and the dark staircase will divide the home screen from the middle. While customizing your phone, you forget to customize the notification panel. To change the notification panel, I used the Material Notification Shade application. In the settings, I have to change the color to black, change the font and the icons. You will experience Android Audio or Android Nougat notification panel on your device easily without rooting it. This is a perfect replacement for your stock notification panel. For this setup, I will change the color to dark from light. Voila, it's done. Now you might be wondering where the hell the time widget is. Wait for that. Enter the 7 time, the best time widget ever. With the help of the 7 time app, you can change the design of your clock or the time widget and easily customize it. After changing the color, size and the design, I finally added the widget onto the home screen. Now something is missing, right? The next addition to the setup is another widget. I found this widget app both easy to use and customizable. With the help of this app, I added the date widget on the home screen. So first on top there will be the 7 time widget and right below it there will be another widget which will display the day, date and the month. I didn't place any other apps on the bottom. If you want, you can place applications like dialer, phone book and other apps of your choice. I cleared all the unnecessary shortcuts and apps from the home screen and then placed 4 important apps in the middle of the home screen. Now we have a complete setup. So we have a nice looking dark theme notification panel, a custom date and time widgets, black and white wallpaper, the apps tray or the app screen button is on the bottom center. This is not for people who love to swipe up to open the app screen. Since it's a classic black and white theme and I want to keep it simple, I like to tap on the icon and enter the app screen. On the top you will get the search bar. Then below that all the apps are organized alphabetically. The background is white, the icons are well organized and you will get a slider too. That was this month's Android setup. Hope you guys liked it. Suggest me video ideas that you want to watch on my channel in the comment section. Send me your setups on this email ID smarttechbusiness12@gmail.com and also mention your Instagram handle so I can give you a shout out. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like and share. Subscribe for more videos just like this one. And finally, thanks for watching. This is BroSmart and I will see you in my next video.